Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can add camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, open camera in your phone and here go to the settings of the camera and scroll down. You will see watermark option. Here what is written, add a watermark to the bottom left corner of your pictures. So watermark will be printed on the bottom left corner. Just turn on this button and watermark will appear. Click over watermark and here you can just type any name as a watermark. You can include your name or your friend name, your daughter name or your business name or whatever you want. Here I write village sports. Village sports. I have village sports YouTube channel, so I write it as village sports. This village sports will be acting as watermark for the upcoming pictures if I have turned on this button. And go back. Now take a picture. Go to the camera and take a picture. I would like to take a picture of this candy. And open the picture that you took. See here, in the bottom left side, it is printed as Samsung quad camera and also village sports is printed. So in this way you can easily add watermark to your photos. If you would like to remove the watermark, just go to the camera again. Just go to the camera again and go to the settings of the camera and turn off this button, watermark. Now we will not have any watermark if you take pictures hereafter. I would like to take a picture of this stone and open the picture that I took. No, I didn't take. Again I take it and see here in the bottom left side there is no watermark. So in this way you can easily take a photo and add watermark in your phone. So you got to previously set watermark text and that will be printed in upcoming photos. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.